So at one time this was slate. So I went through and pulled, oh, looks like I missed one right there. The nails that were from the slate, they had pounded them in. So, and I can tell because right here is the rafter. You can follow the nail line up. And over there's the rafter, so this is the middle. Plus, it's a little bit bigger and it's got a little bit of a square going on there. So I need to get that one. So I went through and pulled a bunch of them throughout this roof. Now I'm looking at this right here. Pretty, not very good. You can see it's just not, and over there it's even a little bit worse. So I think I need to pull this bottom board off carefully because I don't want to damage the molding underneath here. I don't want to damage that. And then I'll get a replacement board for it, which hopefully one of my 1-inch hemlock would work. I'm a little concerned with it over there next to the building. Not sure how that's going to go. Gosh, I may have to bend up that flashing and cut in there with my new oscillating saw, maybe. Okay, so I'm going to go down, get the hammer, and carefully remove this board here, and maybe get the oscillating tool for over there. And get rid of the shingles that I already have. It's about 10th bucket of them. Maybe 12th or 13th. Okay. Let's work on that board.